Python is one of the most popular programming language, and one thing that has made Python more popular is its readability. We can write code in Python which could be as easy to understand as plain English. Today we will see one such feature in Python, which is list comprehension. So first of all, why do we even use list comprehension? The answer is we use list comprehension for creating a new list from other iterable. Imagine we have a tuple here and we want to create a list from this tuple by performing some operation on the elements of this tuple. So for the sake of simplicity, let's say we want to add 5 to elements of this tuple and we want to store the result in a list. In conventional way, we can achieve this by following piece of code. In here, we will first create an empty list, then we would iterate through the elements of this tuple using a loop. We will do the addition and append the empty list one by one by adding 5 to the elements of this tuple. However, we can do the same task by using list comprehension in just one line. So what we will do, we will say items plus 5, that's what we want to do for items in this tuple, right? And since we want to create a list, we will make use of this square brackets, and that's it. We have created a new list from this tuple by making use of list comprehension. Okay, we can see the result. Okay, and now there is a provision for using logical operation in list comprehension. So let's say I want to get only even numbers from this list comprehension. So I'll say items plus 5 for items in tuple if items plus 5 modulus 2 equal to 0, and we see that we only get the even numbers from here. We can store the result in a variable like this, okay, and we can get the result, let's say this A, and this is the result. So this is all about list comprehension, which is used for creating a new list from other iterable, and this iterable could be any other thing like list, set or whatever. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.